Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, you've heard me talk about the kerosene oil many times. By now, you should know who is a kerosene, the role the kerosene play. But what happens if a kerosene oil get the promotion and actually start run off the ends? What happens if the kerosene turn down? Today I'm going to talk about a female Dan, a surrogate Dan, but a Dan nonetheless. Coming straight out of the highly acidic part of Red Hills Road, you know. But Brebe, you remember the Brebe story, right? The Dan with that jail, still has sending out hits on people, make people hosts get burned down and all that. This female Dan, I'm sister. She named Boom Boom. Well, the police just launched an operation just last week. Scrape her up and gone with her. Them running upon her in her house and catch her with the matic. Yes. Not only that, the matic actually have some victims on it, so she probably in some serious problem. Some serious problem. But who is Boom Boom? Well, as me say, a Brebre sister. Hold on, you see the similarities in the name them, the repetition. One name Brebre, the next one name Boom Boom. So Brebre, they behind bars. And then that's how Boom Boom become the surrogate Dan, right? You know how a surrogate operate, right? Basically the substitute acting on behalf of. So anything what them need doing in the streets, and she actually call the shots, she recruit them on them, right? Anything will happen to people, and she has to go deal with it. See, Boom Boom is a dangerous woman. I just start from the gun part, them, because oh yes, she might not really go up on apps to go shoot other people. She boss gun hard, and if you disrespect her, she come in yard, come for you, be a shot. Man, but it's not like she really run down people and shoot off of them. But I'm going to tell you why I say Boom Boom dangerous. Remember a story, right? About a lady named Marva Govey. Remember that case there? Right? In May 2020, there was a video going around. A shopkeeper actually covered the videos on my channel. Right? A lady was lying on the ground, said Marva Govey. Well, you remember there was a woman on top of her ball? Remember? Not just balling, but we are talking about co-balling. I mean, the way she sounded, it probably moved your spirits. It was such a sad scene. Do you know who did I lie down on top of Marva on a ball? Boom Boom. Are you confused yet? Because you say about, hold on, sir. Yes, say a Brebre, them get out Marva. Right? Because remember them send call her to her, she must send money, and she refused. So if a Brebre get her road, why would Brebre sister, who is so powerful in the organization, right, allow them to Marva on a ball? Well, you see, it was all an act. She helped run the program on Marva. She knew exactly what was going to happen. That's why she got up on the scene for dash herself on Marva so fast. Within as soon as by the time Marva reached on the ground, she reached. Dash herself on Marva. Put on the most balling. You remember the video? Dangerous, dangerous woman. Carlton, don't bother make the short skirt fool you. This is the type of woman. One phone call and you're gone missing. So Carlton, control yourself. Control yourself. You see, Boom Boom, it's not enough that she and a jail. She actually a good join enough for her son them. See, Boom Boom don't just have one or two or three, but 4 sons behind bars. 4. So between Brebre, between Boom Boom, between the 4 sons, even a nephew. Look like badness running the family. So, people will always say, why nobody now running from boom boom? Because as she going and intimidate the people them, she make them know, say, listen, anybody who are quote unquote informer, this I got them to, they got them to you. And when people see what she do Marva, who was her quote unquote best friend, that's when people realize how serious she was. See, police did actually bring her in for the Marva thing because, police and they kind of get the intel and bring her in and question her, but obviously nobody no come forward, right? So then they have to let her go. And she come back from the corner, come talk. She come back, come talk, say Marva get what she deserve. This is after the Oscar-winning performance where she put on, lie down on top of the woman. I'm telling you, don't trust kerosene tears. Don't trust kerosene co-balling. These are spooky times. Imagine, no say program run upon our friend, no what gonna happen to our friend. And instead of take care of herself, right, and say, well, she don't want to see the end result, she actually turn up on the scene, she want to see the final product. That's a dangerous woman. Dangerous. Also born down in the community, she responsible for that. Right. Again, as me say, at the surrogate done. Right. So anything bravery, say she must do. She have fear own powers to can say certain things in the world. Most of the things that she do are bravery to come from. But in the place, people talk back to her. She have a style, Goffy-matic, fire, beation. Matter of fact, the Tuesday before, police them running upon her. She and people in an argument and let off a barrage of rounds. Make people know so she can't make this happen to them and that happen to them. That was the Tuesday. By the Thursday, police them running. Never expect it because they see for so long, them man get bring in a Lego, so the police never do nothing for a while and people are say, hold on. Look like the police them forget about Reddit's Road. I know Reddit's Road is a long stretch, it's a big wide area. I talk about towards Casher Park side. But then the police swoop in. She was so comfortable that she have the weapon upon her. The same weapon that her son used to cripple and next youth. Shot the youth. Right now, he can't walk. I'm telling you, say 4 I pick them, 4 her son them the behind bars. One of them end up shoot female and a relative over foolishness. Youth can't walk right now. Well, at that same weapon them hold on upon her with. Right. And ballistics are come back with all kind of things. Once how shall I get out of that one, yeah? You see, the female Dan is rare. And to be honest, whenever you say a woman is, whenever you hear about a female Dan, is usually a surrogate Dan. They're not what I would consider traditional Dans. They're not the Teshas and the Bolby and the Zeeks. In other words, they never become the Dan because they have the most political links or they were the most feared. They're usually surrogates because they see how badness work. When the Dan drop a jail, him can pick who or replace him or whoever act as his surrogate. Whoever act as his deputy. And him can literally pick a 14-year-old. Him can pick a granny. Him can pick him dog. Him can pick him pet rabbit. And say, listen, from now on, this is who I lock the weapon them. This is who you go to when they want nothing. And big bad man, big bad 87, have to go report to that granny or report to that rabbit. That's how it work. You'd be surprised to see. When you hear some stuff here say 87 I take orders from little youth and little pitney. Because the Dan say I saw it go. So it's not like say people in the community share it, afraid are really, but them know what will happen if them not listen. You think grown men in the community will get bad up from boom boom, you think so because them can't physically overput, it's because them know what will happen. So if you avoid the foolishness, them just work with it. Them just take talk, some take them box down, take them this and that. This is how badness work. This is how it works in various communities. People under all kind of government, man, because they basically act as the government, especially his family. When them go tell us you can't do this, you can't move or so. For them rules stricter than all Zozo, not even Zozo strict so, because they tell big people say they can't move or so, they can't go here so, make sure say this, make sure say that. People from that part of Red Hills Road are living in bondage. Enough people happy say she gone, but them can't even publicly say that. People can't even celebrate because they don't know who might go here. Right? They might go say, yeah man, how good that happened to her, and the next thing you know, people gone missing. Next thing you hear, a bike man pull up and somebody drop. Female done. Surrogate done, but a done nonetheless. Now, a long time, Boom Boom was on the radar. Make sure wait to see what the police them are going to do. Right. Because I know say there's no way somebody can do so much. Right. Openly, we're not going to let each other hide. Right. And the security forces just sit back and say, alright, let me see what going to happen. Well, them gone with her. And they make sure to catch her at the ideal time, so more than likely they had some kind of intel. Because before, they used to lock her up, let her go. Let her up, if they go in, nothing, let her go. Guess what? They come right now and catch her with the matic. So now them have something on her. Red Hills Road is not unique in that sense. Enough place across Jamaica. Big people have here TikTok. And I take orders like them a picnic. You see, what your favorite woke activists don't tell you, when them try to romanticize badness and try to melt your heart and make you feel so, what they don't tell you is that people who live in a certain communities in Jamaica, they are not free citizens in any way, shape or form. It's bad enough that they have to deal with the poverty where most of them born in, right? And the development and all, that's bad enough. But when you got have somebody will literally send them over here and can tell you what to do, what you can't do. A free citizen and live like say them down on horizon, because that's how man down horizon live. The water tell us alright, you can come out, you can go in, yo, make sure you do this, make sure you do that. That's how jailbirds live. So jailbirds are free citizens acting like them are jailbird. Brebe who da jail make people who da road a live like them da jail. Welcome to Jamrock. Red Hills Road. I know the 5-star hotel them down at Mobile and the grill. Neither is Maxfield, neither is Jungle, West Kingston. In a prettier yard. Free citizens can't live like this. And walk to this out, jump up and love kick all kind of fake deep nonsense. Well, you see, if we talk about free, cut the crap. Your favorite 87 wanna love, run come defend. Right? Of people that live like say, them are jailer. Them love romanticize the idea of the bad man and done. These are the people who cut out the foolishness. People them tired of the badness, so people want to live. People want to wake up in the morning and walk on the road any hours and coming back any hours. People want them picnic play on the road without having to worry. Right? So straight want to go catch them. People want them picnic for ride them bicycle on College Smith Drive without worrying. So them 10-year-old I go pick up round and head because John Coronation come on Wildman apps. You know. We got PIA special ops. We got the movement. One thing nobody can say is that at any point we ever support the madness. Even when it's still cool now, but we kind of feel like the culture slightly has changed. I can see a slight change in the culture. YouTube definitely changed. I remember when we first started push out the PIA special ops, it was informer, stop call, bad man name, stop call. Big up all the people them. Who remember the original videos about Brebe and them really. Because trust me, for me I hear Brebe under pressure in a jail. It's just that as then turn him back. So then take your phone, so then get a new one. But you see how this turn out. With these old people, trust me, I don't think when they get the proper protection. I'm glad that the police them run in now and pick her up. But them have them agents on the road. And know that she gone, them want to find one next surrogate done. These gangs just lock up and look at one man, lock up and look at one woman. That's all good and well. But if you can't stop them from communicating and sending them orders to the next surrogate, right? If you can't land a body blow on the entire organization to make the organization drop on them knee like when a boxer get thumped in the belly, right? Then it's a case of here we go again. We'll be making a video about another surrogate done who take over after Boom Boom gone. Anyway, make it see it play out. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Big up the legendary PIA special ops. You don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.